We're getting him out tomorrow, Moss. And then we'll get the crystal.
I'll be waiting. All my potion needs is a little bit of light through that crystal. Then he'll achieve the capabilities he could only dream about.
Ivan, hide! I hear the police! Hi, boss.
Scrappy and Ivan the Outage. My two favorite cars. Well done. We have company.
A train? There's no railroad here. What? Great. I'll meet you at the museum, boss.
Well, Oliver, I'll go easy on you since it's your first day. Look, that car didn't stop at the red light.
That's right, we got you! And you can't get us!
I'll do my best to put you behind bars before you sell this diamond.
Do you really think I came all the way here so I can sell it later? We have a better plan than that. Don't call us. We'll call you.
Boss, what about my cut?
Patience, Ivan. patience. You'll receive your reward. But first, take me to Professor Moss, Scrappy.
We'll be in touch.
Hello, Moss. I finally have it. Now you can work your magic.
Well done, Smog. I've developed this special liquid to grow a very powerful ivy. The only thing missing was this crystal. To be more precise, the light shined through this crystal. Proceed to the center of the machine. The most important thing is that you will be able to control this ivy at your will. This ivy is so strong that you'll be able to break concrete walls and pick up heavy objects.
Or open heavy bank vault doors.
Cooper! They've trapped you again, I see. And it's Oliver's first day. Your first day on the force doesn't mean you'll be writing speeding tickets all day, son.
Sorry, sir, but who was that limo car?
Smog. We locked him up 2 years ago. Unfortunately, he escaped last night. Let me get you both up to speed. Someone get me a projector. Listen up! We have 6 villains that we have to catch. They are Ivan the Outage, an insane electric truck with train wheels, and a very dangerous individual. He can knock out the power to a building faster than you can.
Finally. Well done, Moss.
Boss! You've changed!
That's right. Try to stop me now, Cooper.
Where are you going now?
To the bank. Griffin said the bank's vault door is too heavy.
Okay, team. We are setting up a citywide sting operation to catch the villains. We're not sure where they are at the moment, but we do have Professor Moss's location. Oliver, you are going after Professor Moss. Cooper, your target is Ivan the Outage. We think he's going to come back to his favorite tram station, where he lays low and recharges. The Special Vehicles and Tactics team is going after the big fella Griffin. Then we're all going after Scrappy, Smog, and Shadow. Let's start patrolling the streets to find them.
Here. Griffin, you stand watch here. I'll bring you your cut. Shadow, wait for me behind the bank. Ivan and Scrappy, follow me.
The bank alarm just went off. You go after Professor Moss, and I'll go see what's happening at the bank.
We have to be quick. Take what you can.
So much for my cut.
Hurry, get to the back door.
you can catch me? Let's try your off-roading skills. You'll never get one of my tires. These stumps. Stumps. These stumps. No, I can't stop.
Moss, stop right now.
Oh, no!
What was that? Moss, you're under arrest. You have some serious explaining to do.
Was the cleanest escape.
How do you like this, Cooper?
What's wrong, Cooper? Can't catch me?
See you later, officer.
Not so fast.
Cooper, Oliver, I need you both over here. We're currently on the highway chasing Shadow, Smog, and Scrappy. We've set up a roadblock ahead.
Copy that, Captain. Oliver, speed it up. We have to get to the captain quickly.
Roger that.
Shadow, stop right now. The road is blocked and there is nowhere to run. You and your cargo are under arrest. Smog, Scrappy, drive out of the truck right now.
Try to stop me now. Scrappy, follow me. Come on, Scrappy.
I'm trying! I can't keep up!
Well, Cooper, looks like you couldn't catch me again.
Not so fast.
What? No!
Smog, you're under arrest.
Oh no.
Well done, team. My name is Cooper,
My name is Oliver.
and we are real city heroes.